welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. I'm up a little bit early, but that's okay. It's becoming pretty normal. Finished my shopping list. But before I get to that, last night, I was kind of craving it, sort of, and I wanted something simple. So I did pasta aglio, whatever. But I also added sauteed red bell pepper and onion. And a little bit of basil. Of course, it had the red pepper flakes. It was really good. Really, really good. I'll be adding that one into the quiver of recipes. Tonight, I'm scrapping. Last night, I decided I'm scrapping whatever I was going to do today. I have this little tilapia. It's little. I have this single tilapia fillet, and I'm like, what can I do with it? So I'm going to do a tilapia rice bowl, and I'll show you the ingredients. This is total pantry cooking. Total pantry cooking. Next week, obviously starting today, grab my list. Starting with the tilapia rice bowl. Tomorrow, I'm doing a very basic chili because I want to do a practical test for my new chili powder or chili blend. A practical test. I know my friends up north, the Tross, they should have gotten their package on Saturday, so yesterday. We're still waiting to hear back from them. So on Tuesday, I'm going to do a red sweet potato, but I'm going to use some of that leftover chili and add some red onion and, cheese. Yeah. So on Wednesday, I'm going to do some chicken quesadillas. This is another total pantry thing. I'll explain that more on Wednesday. Thursday, I'm doing a spicy coconut curry ramen. Ooh. Friday is date night. Rob and I are having a date. It's on the details are on her this time. And then Saturday, this is kind of another pantry thing. I'm going to be doing a ginger pork stir fry. So yeah, next week's kind of full, but it's some half of a lot of pantry cooking. So yeah, so let's get to what I'm doing tonight. I'm doing a tilapia rice bowl. I got some hardware going. Deep tall wall saute pan. That's to do the veggies and everything. The smaller skillet is for doing the tilapia itself. Of course, I need a vessel for the rice. So this is the lonely tilapia that I have. I will be playing with some of my Jamaican curry powder. It's one of my blends that's available to you. For the vegetables, I'm going to do some cabbage, some red onion, a little bit of corn, garlic. I have a jar of roasted red bell pepper strips, which I'll chop down. There's my Jamaican blend. It's still in the old-fashioned Dymo label. Doesn't have the new fancy-dancy labels that I do now. Of course, some kosher salt and black pepper, a little bit of oil for to do the skillet and pan work, and my empty jar of long grain white rice. After my morning meeting, I will be doing my grocery shopping, so that will be full. It'll be ready for dinner. So here are the goodies for tonight's pantry cooking. Yeah. Now for the biggest news of the week. Yeah. My last proofreader sent me his notes yesterday. It was late though. I will be finishing up and submitting Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors, to Amazon sometime today. That, after my grocery shopping and all that, that is my priority, is to get Soup Symphony uploaded and ready for when they check it. Yeah. So that's big news. Soup Symphony, within just now days, will be available to you at Amazon. I don't have a price yet. I don't have an exact price. I will later on today. So, on this great Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.